Hello guys, relaxing time namin ngayon. Ni Corda Pyongs. Ito pala guys, asawa ko si Trevor Waters. British. British din siya guys. Laki ko pala ng mukha ko dito guys. Oh. Guys, I'm 65. Oh no!
Go on, tell the truth. 65. Going on 66.
Pala guys, bakit sa isip ko 65? 56. Si Habi guys, 60. 5 years lang gap namin. Nakapunta ko dito, itong country
5 years,
to
6
I'm
months, and 3 days.
27. How old are you daddy? You went daddy in the Philippines?
32.
32.
Yeah, you were 27.
Yeah. Oh, 32 kami nag-aasawa, guys. Unang punta niya ng Pinas, kay pakasal ka agad. Kasal kami kaagad, guys. Pero, how many years we